So in this tutorial, we'll be manipulating two fruits, an apple and a pineapple. Let's get onto it. Go to elements to pick our elements. The elements we'll be using for this design. I'll show you the keywords so you can try it at your own convenience. So the first element we need is arc down frame. Arc down frame. So select it. Let's pick our apple. Just search for apple in your elements. Search. Enter apple in your element search bar and you find a number of them to choose from. So let's stretch this. If you double click, you can find your crop so you can stretch, or you go to edit photo and then crop. Edit photo, crop. Alright. So the next element we need is this one, paper textured frame. Select it. And pick a sliced apple. Resize like we did the first with the apple. You keep resizing until the part of the fruit you want is fully maxed. Now let's bring it back down. Alright, so this is what we have. Let's do it for the handle. The handle is capital C tropical letter frame. Select it, rotate to 180, minus 180. Pick our apple, stretch, double click to stretch. Now we can resize it, position it, and then send to the back. So to find your send to the back is you go to you left. That's left click, or is it right click to open up this option, then you send to the back, or on your alright, send to the back. It's already behind. So this is it. Let's duplicate this page to do for pineapple. Stretch out just like we did with the first one until it is fully maxed or covered. The area we want is covered. Select again for the handle. Once you get the first one right, subsequent ones will be easy for you. Let's get this pineapple fruit and slice. Just search for sliced pineapple or slice any fruit you intend to try this out with. You keep stretching until you have a fine. Alright, so this is it for pineapple and apple. You can try this with orange or any other fruit of your choice. So that is it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next tutorial. Bye.